How to cope with everyday stress. Do you feel overwhelmed with the demands of everyday living? Are you tired of constantly feeling stressed out and burnt out? You're not alone. Stress has become a common problem in our fast-paced world, but don't worry. I'm here to help you cope with everyday stress. Welcome to my channel, where we discuss tips and tricks for living a happy and healthy life. In this video, we'll be talking about how to cope with everyday stress. I'll share with you some practical and effective ways to manage stress, so you can live a happier and more fulfilling life. One, the first step to managing stress is to identify your triggers. Think about what stresses you out the most. Is it your workload, your commute, or your relationships? Once you know what triggers your stress, you can start to take steps to manage it. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for managing stress. It involves focusing your attention on the present moment, rather than worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Mindfulness can help you feel calmer, more centered, and more in control of your thoughts and feelings. 3. Get enough sleep. Four, take breaks. Many of us feel like we have at work all the time, but taking breaks is essential for managing stress. Taking breaks helps you recharge your batteries and come back to your work with renewed energy and focus. Conclusion. In conclusion, managing stress is an ongoing process. It requires self-awareness, mindfulness, and a commitment to self-care. But with these tips and tricks, you can learn to manage stress more effectively and live a happier and healthier life. Thank you for watching. You can implement these tips too in your daily lives.